Hello guys, this is Vatsal here from VS Tech, and in this video I will be giving you my first impressions about the Realme C1. I shot this footage in the Realme 2 Pro event, so approximately 1 month ago. So yes, I know I am late, but still you can watch it if you are looking to buy this smartphone. And also I will be comparing both of its colors side by side in this video. Now coming to the specifications of the Realme C1, it has a 6.2-inch 18.5 by 9 notch display, and it is a HD display, not a full HD, but still the good thing is it has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 over it. So as per my initial impressions, the display was very good, clear and crisp. Here the maximum brightness of the display is up to 360 nits and it's a quite low, but still we cannot expect some very bright and good displays in the price segment of 7000 rupees. At this price point, it offers very good display with decent viewing angles. Now coming to the hardware underneath, it is powered by a Snapdragon 450 processor, and that's the same processor used on Samsung Galaxy On8, which is priced at 15,000 in the sale days. So this phone at the price point of 7000 rupees is offering the same processor, so we can expect the performance to be really good and very smooth in the day-to-day tasks. Now coming to the RAM and storage variants, Realme launched only one variant of this Realme C1, and that is the 2GB RAM and 16GB storage variant, and it is priced at 7000 rupees as I am repeatedly saying in the video. But here approximately only 7GB was available out of that 16GB with some extra apps installed on the phone which can be uninstalled. But here the good thing is that Realme has included a dedicated microSD card slot in this phone with the proper 2 SIM cards, so that's a very good thing, and you can expand the storage easily by using any memory card. Now let's do the physical overview of this smartphone. On the top we have just nothing, means there is no secondary microphone on this phone. In the left we have the separate volume up and down buttons and the dedicated triple SIM slot. At the bottom we have the speaker, the micro USB port, main microphone and the headphone jack. On the right we have the power button. At the back of the phone we have 13+2 dual camera setup and a single LED flash, and at the bottom we have the Realme branding. On the front we have a notch display, but the notch here is quite small and looks very good, and it houses the front camera, the earpiece and the proximity and light sensors, and the front camera is of 5 megapixels. So firing up the camera interface is very similar to the Realme 2 Pro or the Realme 2, because these phones have the same software, that is the ColorOS, and this phone is running on Android 8.1. Now taking the snap, as we can see the shutter speed was very good, very quick, and the sample image also came to be very sharp and clear. But as only one photo cannot decide the whole camera quality of a smartphone, I will need to test it in more detail. So if you want coverage for this smartphone, then do tell me in the comments below. So here is the side-by-side comparison of both the colors of the Realme C1, that is the black and blue. But as of now only the mirror black variant is on sale and the blue variant is not on sale. Now coming to the battery, it has a 4230 mAh battery, and that's huge. And with not that much power hungry processor, HD display, this battery is going to last. And this will easily last 1.5 days, as the Realme 2 that I have used also lasted the same, so I can expect the same battery life in this also. So to conclude this video, I will say that the Realme C1 is offering exceptional value for money at the price of 7000 rupees. It is the best smartphone that the money can buy. So that's it in this video guys. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe my channel for more such content like this. Also please click on the bell icon to get notified each time a new video goes live on my channel. So that's all, and I will see you in the next one.